Everyone loves free money, right? Well, in crypto, they call it airdrops. But here's the real alpha. It's not just about claiming meme coin airdrops. It's about flipping them into serious gains and managing your portfolio so you don't get wrecked. Airdrops are free distributions of tokens to wallets. Meme coins use them to grow hype and community fast. Examples: Dollar Whiff, Dollar Bonk, and even Dollar Not coin started with viral airdrops that exploded. First, claim the airdrop and track it on CoinGecko or DexScreener. Most meme airdrops pump hard in the first 48 hours. This is where you flip a portion, secure profit while hype is high. Always hold a small percentage for the moonshot. That's where you catch the surprise 10x or 100x. Use profits to buy into other trending airdrops or more stable plays like ETH or SOL. That's how you compound. Don't let meme coins become 100% of your portfolio. Aim for something like 50% majors, BTC, ETH, SOL, 30% high potential alts, and only 20% in meme coins. That way you protect yourself from total wipeouts while still having exposure to insane upside. Remember, meme coins are basically digital lottery tickets. Never risk what you can't afford to lose. Use stop losses if trading actively. And don't FOMO every new drop. Pick carefully. So, flipping meme coin airdrops can turn free tokens into serious money. If you play it smart, take profits, and manage your portfolio like a pro. Want me to break down the next hot airdrop step by step? Smash that like and subscribe so you don't miss it.